Demands Day.
Yes,
I'm obliged.
thank you. Shali Sikwara.
Speaker sir, I won't take as much time as my colleague has taken. At the outset, I would like to congratulate the Honorable Chief Minister for having come out with a budget which, according to me, he has planned, taking into consideration almost everything that Goa really requires. He has made provisions for various activities, keeping in mind the future. For example, these MSME units, artificial intelligence units, he has taken the step to encourage our youth getting into all this. Speaker sir, I think all over Goa we are crying for water supply. He has enhanced the budget requirements of the water department. Yes, I have read a statement of the Honorable Minister wherein he said he would spend 2,000 crores on replacing the existing pipelines, etc. I would request the Honorable Minister to work in tandem with the WRD departments and first ensure that we have additional sources of water, drinking water. I think that is the need of the hour right now, because today we talk of shortage of water here, shortage of water there. I believe the money that has been allocated by the Honorable Chief Minister should be spent more in augmenting water. And if he works in tandem with the WRD department, I'm sure they would be able to build many a bandara across various rivers in the state of Goa. Next speaker, sir, is Health Department. I was very happy to listen to the amounts allocated to that department. I was also happy to hear the different activities that are to be undertaken by the Health Department. Yesterday, the Honorable Chief Minister has announced a scheme for women above the age of 40, wherein they would be able to go and get certain tests done free of cost at the PHC, the community health centers, GMC, etc., etc. I think this shows his concern and the government's concern to the female gender. I have one suggestion, and I'm talking of that suggestion after having had a personal experience. I cannot see any facility within the state of Goa for patients suffering from liver problems. It is said that the amount of patients all over the country, and in Goa too, suffering from fatty liver, that figure is increasing day by day. And therefore, I would request the government, request the Honorable Health Minister, request the Honorable Chief Minister to pay attention to this particular aspect of health. I would like to request the Minister for Animal Husbandry, Mr. Nilkant Halankar, to ensure that he gets teams that are going to aggressively attack this dog sterilization scheme or program that the government has. My experience, there is nothing much happening on that front. I know the Minister is proactive. However, I would request him to pay attention to today's paper, if you have read, I'm sure you have. Front page was about a British tourist being attacked by stray dogs. And today the man is admitted in hospital. So I would like to draw his attention there. And with these few words, I once again congratulate the Chief Minister for his budget and thank you for allowing me to speak.
Dr. Chandrakant Shetty.